Hey everybody, my name is Jewel and this is J7409 Weather in General. Look here, we got the radar for up north. Snow, yes. Looking like, this snow should end by around 1 p.m. in the Boston area today. In Boston, the high should be 36 thereabout with a low tonight around 27. Going to be a little breezy for you in the Boston area, or sustained winds 14 to 17, but you could have some gusts around 31 miles per hour at times. And expect by the time this snow event is over, 1 to 3 inches of snow in the Boston area. Already in Woodford, I believe that's right. Woodford, there you go, Woodford, Vermont. You already had 3 inches of snow. But it's going to be moving on out, and like I say, by lunchtime, a little thereafter, maybe a little before, all the snow should be moved out. And here we have the jet stream, as you can see. Look at this moving on across. It's got high winds in it. It's bringing cold down all the way down into Georgia. You can see these winds. I'm not saying like it is up north. It's not cold like that, but it's going to be colder at my house in North Carolina. By Monday night, it's probably going to be in the 30s. So, enjoy the cool down. It's going to be a chilly last day of October on Halloween for many, many, many of us. As this one moves out, we have another one that's going to come in and lift. But we should have a little warm up when this one proceeds across in these areas. I'd say from maybe Virginia down through North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia. Should warm up a little bit, but we're going to have the next several days of much cooler temperatures. Here we have the NAM map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. It's going to let us see exactly what should happen over the next 3 days. You can see the snow right here. It's going to be tapering off. We'll turn it on and let it roll right quick. Now, this lingering snow is expected for the northern mid-Atlantic today, early today, with light snowfall across the interior northeast and New England. That's light snow. I've already explained that to you, but we got a strong but fast-moving low-pressure system. It's going to bring precipitation to the Pacific Northwest today, gusty winds to the northern Rockies, plains, through Saturday. Now, light precipitation should start as rain and mixing into snow across the upper Great Lakes area by early Sunday. You folks take note of this. Now, across the western U.S., we got a strong low-pressure system. It's currently tracking offshore in the southwest British Columbia area, and that's going to lead to relatively light precipitation for parts of Washington and Oregon. Given the strength of the mid to upper low level system, this surface low will rapidly deepen in southern Alberta late today and generate strong winds across the northern Rockies and adjoining high plains, with a high wind warning in effect across northern Montana right now. Those winds could get up to 30 to 40 miles per hour, with gusts over 70 miles per hour possible. Now, the low will continue quickly eastward across the Canadian prairies through Saturday. While the low will remain north, as it matures, it will pull enough moisture eventually to generate some light precipitation across the Great Lakes late Saturday into Sunday morning. Now, it should start out as rain, but given the strength of the low, the cold air is going to surge behind the cold front across the upper Midwest and to the upper Great Lakes, and then that's going to change it to light snow. So the temperatures, they're going to be just right for snow, about 5 to 10 degrees below average Sunday morning, but by Sunday afternoon, the cold air will drop maximum temps 15 to 20 degrees below average across the Midwest. So there's a good chance of a little bit of more snow coming up around the Great Lakes area. So other than that, it's looking like it's going to be pretty fair in a lot of places, as you can see on the map. And the red lines, that's warmer air. The cold lines you can see, that is colder air. So you can see, as I told you, how the temperatures are going to dip all the way down for the next several days, but then you can see they start to warm back up. And that's a quick check of your weather today. I will have a tropical update coming up in just minutes from now, and I think a lot of you will be surprised as to what I have to say. Just remember, when it comes to the tropical weather, anything can happen. What I say doesn't mean it's going to happen. It's just a chance that it could. So, you guys have yourself a good day, a safe day, and a blessed day. Stay warm. Stay safe. Prayers are going out and thoughts for everyone in the cold, bitter cold, the snow areas, all of the areas cleaning up from Zeta, everybody, and the people out west and all of the wildfires. May each of you have much peace, love, and kindness in your lives today. Spread it around. I love you guys, and I thank you so much for watching.